Just got these in the mail. Check them out. Gotta open it up and see what they look like. So let's see what's in here. That's pretty good. All right, we gotta open them up. All right, let's take a look at these. Nice. All right, we fill them up here and then stick them in the plant. That's one. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got a bunch of them. Check them out. There they are. All right, we got to unwrap them all. Last one. Also comes with this thing here, which I think is to put the water in. Let's check it out. Oh, look at this. It's like a little itty bitty funnel. So you can do this to get the water in there. That's pretty cool, huh? Makes it a little bit easier to fill up. So there they are, right there. And you get these, which supposedly are supposed to help you get the water in them faster. I don't know if it does or not, but these will work good, and they weren't that expensive, so I would recommend them. Let's go ahead and fill one up, all right? So here it is. I'm putting the thing in. And then all we gotta do is just get a little zippage going. I mean, it doesn't go in fast. There we go. Going in. Oh, it takes a while to fill them up. But we got that one on there. Take it off. And bam. Check it out. Yeah. So now all we gotta do is put it in a plant. Check it out. Here's all of our plants. Look at our orchids. Aren't they pretty? And all we have to do is find one to stick it into. And I think I'm gonna put it in this one back here. Just like that. Look at that. Bam, done. Now that plant's got a nice bulb of water to go into it. And that's basically how they work. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like that right there. Peace out.